Saan siya banda?
Diretso lang.
Okay, sige.
Pawa Road po.
Pawa Road. Pawa Road. So, bali, Legazpi ito. Pawa Road. Legazpi City.
Yung giant statue po. No?
Ano po? Ito kaya nga, yan ba yung sinasabi niya?
Overview yan ng mayon po mamaya.
Ah, yun siya, oh. Yun ba yun? Nandun sa may crossing ba yun? Nuestra Señora de Salvación, guys. Thank you. Pawa Road. Malaki na siya.
Ito sa basyon.
Creative graphics design also commits to product quality and innovation will activate the subjects and stay with the bookings. Also, guarantees princess providing optimal service excellence.
Ayan ang mga volcano, sir.
Doon sa may station.
Ayan ang mga volcano, guys. So, hindi sa makita niyo kasi maraming maulap.
Yes guys, thank you for watching. Come back for more shows and the latest episodes. Thank you so much, wonderful people. Love you. Bye. Hindi na kami bumaba guys kasi super init. Pero some of our friends go there at the statue and taking pictures. Yes guys, thank you.